Hello, good morning. This is the Anunaad's Tinkering Lab first tutorial in which we make one project of LED Arduino programmer. In this, we will use the parts firstly Arduino UNO, second breadboard, third LED, fourth USB cable and fifth male-to-male jumper wires. So firstly, I explain you Arduino UNO. So firstly, I explain what is Arduino UNO. There are 13 digital pin in Arduino and 3 ground pin, and there is a 5 analog pin. In this, there are 1 current input and 2 current output. First current output is 3 volt and second is 5 volt. Second, I explain what is a breadboard. In breadboard, the middle boxes in which the currents are flow vertically direction and the top or bottom the current flow in the horizontal directions. Third one is LED. The biggest terminal is called the positive terminal and the short leg is known as negative terminal, and this is a white LED. Our next part is to how to connect these parts of the project. So firstly, we take Arduino UNO and breadboard. Here we put the wire in the holes and second wire. After this, we put a LED. This is a negative terminal and this is a positive terminal. So our negative terminal is in this vertical line and our positive terminal is in this. After this, we will join these wires in the Arduino UNO, and this is a negative terminal. So we put in this ground, so it is a negative, and after this we will do a positive wire in this digital pin. So we will put it in the 7 digital pin. So one next part is coding. So we will do coding from the Tinkercad link. So after opening the Tinkercad link, this type of screen will visible. So we will click in circuits, next create new circuit, and we have to do program in Arduino UNO. So we will select Arduino UNO and drag in our main screen. So firstly we will drag Arduino UNO R3. So we will do now code. We will wait. So firstly we cannot do any of the coding, but it is already see the salt bin in LED. So we will delete all this code and do our self coding. So in this coding we have to hide the pin of LED and low the pin of LED. So firstly we know to how what is a high and what is a low. So high means glow and low means stop glow. So remember that high and low, and also remember where you put the pins in digital pin. So after we can select set pin, we select the pin 7. So 7 pin and high means glow, and second one we have to wait 1 second, and third we have to set pin our pin digital pin is 7, and we have to low the light. So for second, after wait 1 second. So for this loop we have to repeat 10 times. No, this is a loop. So our block coding is complete. You can see that repeat 10 times. Set pin 7 to high means our 7 pin digital pin is high, and second one wait 1 second, it is low. Means it is loop. First it is high, after 1 second it is low. So after this we have to go in this code. You can see that this is a code. So here is a written like blocks. So we have to go in this small type of error. So we will do text. We have to do continue, wait please. Oh my god, the code is open. So we have select all, control plus S means copy, control plus C means copy, and after this we have to go in the Arduino application in the desktop. So we open this type of application. It is starting, just wait please. This is starting. Here is already a code, so we can do control plus N. This is our new Arduino file. So here we paste the code which we will create in the Tinkercad. So control plus A plus control plus V. This is our Arduino LED code. After this pasting the code, our next part is to connect this USB cable in the laptop. After connecting this device, we have to go in the tools. After select the port, so the Arduino port is COM6 Arduino UNO. So our USB cable is connected with the laptop. So now we have to upload. We have to upload this code to our programmable device which will know Arduino UNO. So we are now uploading our code. Now just wait. This is have to save. Next. This is a compiling cache. So our code is uploaded in the Arduino UNO. So our half work of our project is complete. Just wait. This is, you can see that this is uploading. Our program is compiling in Sketch. After code uploading, you can see that our code is uploaded and our project is working. You can see that. So our first tutorial project is complete. This is very easy. You can see that this is a LED and this is a wires. It is a breadboard connected with the Arduino UNO, and Arduino UNO take current from the laptop, and our project is complete. So thank you.